Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a response video to a great question I got from a previous video, Test Google with Telnet. The comment reads, why does it show bad request? I went back to said video and didn't even notice it said that. I then thought about the question and didn't know. But the bigger question was, do I even care to find out? And I do. This video will show you the troubleshooting steps that I took to answer that question. We're going to lean on Wireshark in this video and get our hands dirty with TCP. Let's jump right in. Unlike the previous video, I'm going to use an IP instead of the domain name google.com. So we'll ping Google and go with one of the many IPs that it resolves to. If you get an IPv6 address like this, you can force IPv4 with the -4 option. Now we'll take this IP address and get Telnet ready. Now before I hit enter, I'm going to launch Wireshark and filter on any packets that has the IP address ping resolved for us. And this filter will capture all packets, whether the source or destination matches that address. We'll make sure the filter is applied. And now I'll hit enter on our Telnet command. A couple of things to notice. The terminal screen cleared, and in Wireshark, we can clearly see our old friend, the TCP Handshake. SYN, SYNAC, SYN. So what does this tell us? Well, we've just confirmed that port 80 is listening on that IP address. So we are golden and connected to the server. Now, if we type the character A in our terminal, a TCP packet gets sent to the server with our keystroke as the payload, and the server acknowledges this. Now, if we hit enter, another packet gets sent, but now the server responds with 2 TCP packets, then an HTTP packet. And this HTTP packet is what our Telnet terminal is displaying. And we can also see that the server, not us, initiated the TCP disconnect via the fin flag, and we obliged. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more of these troubleshooting style videos. Thank you, and have a great day. Here's a quick way to check the connection status without using Wireshark. After you connect to the IP address, type control open bracket, and this escapes you to the Telnet client. Type help to get a list of available commands, then type status, and it says we are connected.